What's up, what's good everyone? I am back on Twitch, this time to face paint myself as Rosalina. The occasion is, in case you didn't see my last YouTube video, I just fixed my Wii, in which case I can start playing Mario Kart Double Dash on the GameCube again. So in order to celebrate my coming back into Double Dash, because it's my favorite Mario Kart game and I haven't played it in over 2 years, I decided to face paint myself as Rosalina and play the game all day long. Yeah, so we'll just get into it. Now obviously Rosalina's face looks normal. So when I say face paint, it's more of painting my shoulders, and body paint I guess is probably a more proper term. But you guys know what I'm talking about. The interesting thing about this is going to be the color. I do not have that color of blue turquoise, so I'm going to have to mix those together. But first, I'm going to outline what I'm doing. It's a really pretty easy design. The hardest part is the star. The lighter colors are always first, so we'll do her little shoulder things. It's got to be like a really super light version of the color that we're going for. I am going to do it on my wrist. Because my wrist gets screwed up, you know, it's good practice and it's not near everywhere else. I think that looks like a pretty good color. It's also like, you know, lighting and everything. It's a bit of a different color in real life than on there. I think it's too... Oh! Stardust decided to join the party. How you doing, honey? What you doing? This will be interesting, trying to keep the colors even. We'll just go for it. Too much green, abort, abort, abort. The line is kind of hard to tell, but I think that they look even. I think we'll go ahead and do my arms all basically this color. Oh yeah, and her ruffles, they're that lighter color. And real quick, let's just see how we want to do the ruffles. It'll look kind of like a bracelet. Both wrists are done. Time to continue on with her dress. I'd say that's good for now. Now for the star. The yellow part first. Whoa, that's weird. The star is like going away, but it's yellow, not green. Turquoise absolutely does not go with the green screen, but yellow, that on the other hand, looks exactly like green screen. Promise you guys, this is yellow. Gotta get a new brush for the dark gray. Or instead, I think I will use my silver. It's actually the silver that I used for my cover of Taylor Swift's Delicate, my ASL cover. We have the silver star. Oh, I have 2 whites and they are both being invaded. This is what my other white currently looks like. Oh, I needed to like clean one and be like, this is going to be white and only white, and the other one is for a mixture of colors. A little that, a little that, and then a line. You can kind of see it a little bit. Now I think it's time to start doing some shading. Both sides shaded, more shading under here. Shading above the sleeve. What we did for the top of my shoulders to have it look like it's lifted off of my wrists a little bit better. We did it! Don't mind this part of the face paint, you know? Really quick, I don't have to leave. I'm just gonna go and get a picture of yellow to put behind myself here. You'll see, it's green screen fanciness. Oh, see, there's the yellow square. Ta-da! Doesn't it look great? It fixed everything. No, it didn't. Almost. Magic! Now, it's still a little fuzzy because when I tried shading it, so it's like that two-colored thing, it's a little confused, but you guys get the idea. It's yellow. We all know it's yellow now. We're good. I'm so excited because that means next is doing Mario Kart Double Dash. That was pretty much it for this video, guys. I am all done. I could, like, you know, paint more of my arm if I wanted to, but since I'll be, you know, gaming, this is really all y'all guys gonna see. Other thing I guess I could add is a crown, a silver crown. I don't think I got one on me right now. I could like put a picture on myself in editing for YouTube later. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will be back in just a little bit to play Mario Kart Double Dash right here on Twitch. So if you want to see that, be sure to hit the follow button. And if you're watching this on YouTube in the future and you like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and go ahead and throw down a couple of suggestions or requests of other characters that you'd like me to face paint or play video games as. And I will see you guys next time or later. Bye, Rosalina.